In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access apps and notifications. Following that, scroll down again, select Advanced and tap on Apps Permissions. Finally, click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Last but not least, click on the gray sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to allow camera access. In order to deny it, tap on the same No Blue one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!